Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're talking about solar stocks. Did solar stocks just bottom? So let's get right into it. We've had a crazy few weeks in solar stocks. I mostly focus on Enphase and SolarEdge. They both just gotten absolutely decimated the past couple of weeks. But at the end of this week, we've actually had a pretty major turnaround to probably most people's surprise after SolarEdge reported really bad earnings. They were expected a profit and actually lost money. That's just the beginning of it. But at the end of the week, we've had a huge rebound in solar stocks. So the question is this the bottom? Have we bottomed? So I'm going to get into a few reasons why I think we may have bottomed or why we are very close to the bottom. Now, I think a huge problem with the earnings that we've gotten from SolarEdge and Enphase is the projections of their future earnings, both of which disappointed massively to the downside. And so that's why they've dropped to a large extent. But one thing I think needs to be taken into account is that the stock market is forward-looking. So I think we've priced in a lot of that downside already because of these earnings reports. And something that Tom Lee says, who is an analyst, he runs Fundstrat, and a lot of people call him a permabull, but he often brings up the great point that stocks bottom around a year before their earnings bottom. So, if that's the case, is it possible that SolarEdge, Enphase, and all the other solar stocks, their earnings will bottom around a year from now? I think, that sounds about right, probably. Obviously, interest rates make a huge difference in whether that will be true or not. And, one of the major reasons why the stock market in general is up this week is because the Federal Reserve did not raise interest rates. And I think a lot of people, the market is kind of signaling that this may be it for the interest rate hikes, that these are the highest interest rates that we're going to see, from the Federal Reserve. And that is obviously bullish for any interest rate sensitive companies. Solar stocks being, about as interest rate sensitive as it can get. So, those are really the two major reasons why I think we may have bottomed or be very close to the bottom. Let me repeat, because interest rates have probably topped and the market is signaling that. And because solar stocks, the worst that we're going to see from their earnings is probably, give or take about a year from now. And stocks tend to bottom a year before earnings bottom. So that is the general argument of this video. Obviously I've only said bullish things and reasons to believe that. Let me know in the comments if you disagree. And if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.